Hey guys, so we have already seen a bunch of concepts related to Stack Navigator, and I think this is pretty good for you to start with navigation. So what I'll suggest is that now we have two screens, one is home and the other one is anime detail screen. What I'll suggest is that you should create one more screen, and what you can do is from this anime detail screen, that screen should be accessible. And if we come to the interfaces, you can see that we have properties like producer, which is an array, or something like title, which is again an array. What you can do is from this anime detail screen, you can pass these details to the next screen and render it over there, right? So this will be a practice for you, and I'll highly recommend to do that so that you can have a more hands-on experience with Stack Navigator. And so we'll be concluding with this playlist. We are going to see more types of navigator like bottom tab navigator and other things, and other React and React Native specific concepts which will enable you to become a better developer in the upcoming videos. So thank you so much for watching this playlist. Thank you guys.